Hi guys, I am Kasim. Hello, I welcome you for my channel and welcome you for my new video. Today I appear before you to introduce about the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35. Okay guys, now let's check out the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35. KGS.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 is the world's most popular, most powerful, most technically advanced, elegant and high-performance super sport car which built by Nissan company. And also the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 is the one of greatest supercar production which called as the Godzilla. And also the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 is equipped with fully carbon fiber body kit, smooth fine leather interior and new lightweight titanium exhaust system. And also the power output of the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 has been increased by 20 horsepower and 5 Newton meters of torque than the previous models. If we talk about the exterior design of this car, right away we see a pretty big departure from the previous model. The V-motion grille has been enlarged a bit to provide better airflow and engine cooling, and also the large horizontal splitter in the middle of this car which is now finished in matte chrome. If we talk about the interior design of this car, we can see a newly designed dashboard and hand-selected Napa leather is wrapped around the dash and instrument cluster and was stitched with the Takumi style precision. And also the new lightweight thinner material which is under the leather of the dashboard helps reduce the weight of this car. And also the old 7-inch touch panel unit in the previous model instead now has a new 8-inch capacitive touch panel monitor, and also there is a display command control on the center console that allows for easy operation of the display screen in this car. The power output of the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 has been increased and boost from the turbochargers, and the ignition timing for each cylinder is now individually controlled, creating more precise overall ignition timing. Okay guys, now let's check out the engine performance of the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35. The 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 had been powered by 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine and also transmission with 6-speed automatic GR6 dual-clutch gearbox, and also this car drivetrain includes all-wheel driving system, and also that 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine makes the 565 horsepower at 6800 rpm, and also that makes 633 newton meters of torque, and also this car weight 1755 kilos, and also this car is able to accelerate 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, and also the 2017 Nissan Gt-R R35 could be driven as top speed 340 kilometers per hour or 211 miles per hour. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and new video coming soon. And also download my KGS Supercars Android application from the Google Play Store.